Hello students, today we'll start with Geography Chapter 2 Location and Extent. Before starting, in Geography you have learned many things in the earlier standards, that is the location, extent of a particular region, the climate of a particular region, the weather, then the soil, then the different layers of the earth, then different atmosphere, and the different climatic conditions as we go in different places. We have studied about natural resources also and man-made resources also. So all these terms which we have studied, now it is the time when we will apply it to some countries and we will study them. Now this year you will study all these terms but in relation with two countries. Yes, in this chapter we will study about two countries, not particularly in this chapter but in all the chapters we will compare two regions, two countries, and we will study about geography. We will study all the terms that we have learned till now. Now the chapter location and extent. Now in this chapter, on this page you can see two different flags are given. First one you can make out, it is India. Still there are hints given, so we'll just go through them. The second largest populated country in the world, famous for spices in the world, and cricket is a popular sport here. Of course that is India. Then the second flag, the hints are famous for samba dance, known as the coffee pot of the world, and football is a very popular sport here. And this country is Brazil that we are talking about. Now we'll start with India first. Name of the country, Republic of India. Name of capital, New Delhi. Now we'll study the location, extent and boundaries of India. Location, where it is located. Okay, India is located in the northern and eastern hemispheres. Now see, this location is in relation to the latitudes and longitudes. Okay, northern hemisphere यानी कि जो इक्वेटर के ऊपर वाला पार्ट है, that is the northern hemisphere, so it is in the northern hemisphere in that way. Eastern hemisphere यानी कि it is in the eastern side of the prime meridian, यानी कि जो prime meridian longitude है उसके eastern side में है, that is why it is in the northern and eastern hemisphere of the earth. It is located in the southern part of the Asian continent. If we talk about particularly Asian continent, so India is in the south. You can see this whole thing, this is the Asian continent and India is in the south. Now next, with the help of the figure 2.1, find the extent of the mainland India. Fill in the degrees in the degrees blank and spaces. See here now, when we talk about the latitude and longitude, we can easily locate a place. I'll just show you. See, this is 4 degree over here, then 8, 12, 18, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Now here, when we talk about these lines, these horizontal lines, these are the latitudes. We call them as parallels of latitude. And we talk about this vertical straight lines. From here you can see the measurements are given: 68 degree east, 72 degree, 76, 80, 82, 30, then 84, 88, and so on. These are the longitudes. Now when we measure latitude, we can see India, the southernmost tip of India, it's starting from 8 degrees. Okay, so from 8 degree latitude it will go on till this tip. It will come around here, that is 36, then it will come around 37 over here. Okay, so we can write it as 8 degrees 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude. And between, now we come to the eastern hemisphere. Now we come to the eastern longitudes, we can see it is from here, that is 68 degrees east, to it will go on till the extent till here. It is the last extent. It is going till 96 to 97, somewhat approx 97. Okay. Now next is Indira Point is the southernmost tip of India. It is located on 6 degree 45 minutes north parallel. Now there is a small exercise given for you all to identify the water bodies around India and the neighboring countries as well. So that is your work. You will do it. It's very simple. Now we come to the next country which we will be talking about is Brazil. Okay, we are going to talk about Brazil. Now we come to the name of the country. It is Federative Republic of Brazil. Name of the capital of Brazil is Brasilia. Then location, extent and boundaries. Some part of Brazil lies in the northern hemisphere, while most of it lies in the southern hemisphere. Also, it lies in the western hemisphere in the northern part of South American continent. See, I'll show you the map, then you'll understand it better. See, as I said earlier, when the equator passes, it is dividing the earth into northern and the southern hemisphere. So you can see the equator passing through Brazil over here. This is the equator which is passing. So Brazil lies in the northern hemisphere, while most of it, you can see here, this line is passing, only this part is in the northern hemisphere and the rest, most of the part is in the southern hemisphere. Okay. Then also it lies in the western hemisphere, यानी कि prime meridian के west part में it lies, and it lies in the southern and the northern part of the southern American continent. Now Brazil is a part of South America and it lies in the northern part. तो ये South America है, उसका northern part में Brazil is located. Okay. Now next is, with the help of figure 2.2, find the extent of the mainland Brazil. Fill in the degree values in blank spaces. Now it is the same way as we did for India. We have to find the location of the latitudes and the longitudes. So I will let you all do this. Same way, again there is a table for the neighboring countries and oceans. This also you all will do.